Hello, sorry for the inconveniences. As I was
Yeah,
saying,
yeah, yeah.
hello, good day to you all. My name is Hammad, and thank you for joining the Day 3 Capacity Building Training for 1,000 Nigerian Civil Servants on ICT. This is education sector. So, as I was saying yesterday, we focused on some basic but powerful computer operations. That is, we've talked about the shutting down the computer, restarting using the mouse and touchpad. We also shows how to create folders and copy, cut, and paste, as we can see. So, why did we spend time on that? Because these are the foundations on ICT skills. If you want to organize your files or navigate the systems, it might become difficult because to do more advanced tasks. So today we'll go deeper into file management, especially what happens when we delete files, how permanent delete works, and how recovery can save us when mistakes happen. So when you delete a file on your computer, it doesn't disappear completely. So instead, it is moved to the recycle bin, as I explained before. Uh, this works like a temporary storage for delete. As we can see from the definition here, it says delete simply means moves a file to the recycle bin or trash. So recycle bin normally works with the Windows, while trash works with Mac, like MacBook, that is the iOS versions. So it can still be recovered. That is the delete is normally temporary delete. So in education, like one, imagine if you threw away your old assignment into the classroom dustbin. So it looks like it's gone, but you know you can still pick it out from that your cleaner empties to the bin. So like also when you press the delete button on your keyboard, the file is not permanently gone. It is just moved into a temporary place where you can still recover it if needed. So I think this will protect us from mistakes. Also, like when you accidentally delete your project or lessons, notes, or some files or documents, that doesn't mean you permanently deleted them. The deletion will move to the recycle bin. So as I was saying, I will show you the step by step on how to delete and also recover it. So to do that is very simple. So to do that is very simple. Here I have a folder three. If I click on double click on it, I open it. Here we can see we have a file in it which is called Hammad. So in the Hammad file, if we double click on it, there is also file in the same folder. Also here we have another document in it. So if I press delete here we can see my cursor. I place it on delete. So that means the file disappear. We cannot find it in this folder the three. As we can see, the folder is empty. But I explained the delete is doesn't mean that your file is deleted permanently. So if you come to recycle bin, double click on your recycle bin. Here we can find what we've deleted. Here we can find what we've deleted. So as we deleted the file from this D3, now the D3 folder is now become empty. And then here in our recycle bin folder, we can still find it here. That means the Hammad folder isn't deleted permanently. So we can recover it. How to recover it? Place your cursor on the documents. That is, as I place it here at the top, you can see options like delete or restore. Here we can see the restore all files. If you press restore all files, that means any selected files will be restored. So press like right click on your folder. Here we can see delete, cut, restore. So if I press restore, then my file will automatically disappear from recycle bin and now moves back to the initial folder where we deleted it, which is folder 3. So you can see from the 3 Hammad folder also is now back to life. This is all about delete. So now let's move to permanent delete. So what permanent delete means? So permanent delete, as we explained, permanent delete means the file is removed in such a way that we cannot find it in the required folder, in the required original folder, like what we have done in the original folder. As we deleted and I go back to recycle bin, we can still find it there and even recover it. But for permanent delete, once we deleted it, it's gone permanently, so we cannot find it. So there is two ways to permanently delete your files. So here from the definitions on our slide, we can see delete. Permanent delete simply means it removes a file completely. That is using shift plus delete or empty recycling bin and cannot be recovered easy. So for you to recover it, you have to use a third party, I think, applications which we find it difficult for you to even try it. So now let me give a brief example on how this permanent delete works. So think of permanent delete as burning your assignment, as if like you burn your paper or your assignment. Instead of throwing it like in your office bin. So once it is burned, there is no way to bring it back, as you know. So you lost it automatically, completely. So that is why trainers and the teachers must be careful, like when deleting files or documents, especially important files like exam results or student records or official documents or even your files or whatever the document might be. You have to take extra careful before deleting it because it might be permanent delete if unnoticed. So let us practice how to permanently delete our files. So as we come back to this folder, day three, folder day three, here we can find the same folder that we deleted and recover it is stamped here and all the documents are still on it. So if you press shift delete, so it will bypass the recycle bin and it will give you an instructions that do you want to permanently delete your so this. So let's practice it on your computer. You can notice on your keyboard you can notice shift and delete. You press shift first and then press delete altogether. So doing that, your file will be deleted permanently and it will bypass the recycle bin. So here we can see it shows at top of that. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If we press yes, so that means we lost the folder and we cannot find it anywhere in this system. So as we can see here, the folder is not here in our folder, the three. Also, if we come to the cycle bin and sort it based on date, still we cannot find it. We lost it already, as you can see. So can we see we cannot find the Hammad folder. So to get it, also we have to come, already I copy it and paste it. So let me come back to where I copy it and also copy another one. Then move to our folder, the three, which is the three folder, and then to paste it, there is two ways, either to press Control V or to press right click and then tap paste, as we can see. So now here I copied this folder from my original source and then move it here. So now the other way to delete it permanently is you select it and then press delete, or you press right click, then you delete it from here. So once you press delete, your folder is gone and is moved to recycle bin. So here we can see we cannot find it here, but if we come to recycle bin, yes, as you can see, you can find it here recycle bin. So press your cursor on the folder, press right click, it will show you these instructions. Are we to cut, delete, restore, or compress? So here we are dealing with delete. So if I press delete, that means
Then
the
for
file will be
minutes.
permanently deleted from my computer, as you can see as the pop-up shows. Yes. So as I pressed yes, also I cannot find it either from here and also from here. So that is the difference between the delete options. The delete options, it works either a permanently or a temporary delete, as we explained before.
Now you're meeting your carry. I question and answer as well. Nagen,
I'm sorry, my network just checked. Okay, so this is all about delete and permanent delete as I shows you practically. So now let's move to recovery. So recovery simply bring back your file to life. That is, this bring back a file from the recycle bin or trash to its original source. So uh, the recovery, as we know, is the process of getting back deleted files. Like if you only press delete, recovery is easy. Just go and open your recycle bin, right click on the file and choose restore. It will return to its original location as we practiced. So if the file was permanently deleted, as we just shown in our practice, so the recovery becomes harder. We cannot recover it. So you need to specialize recovery. That is software, like there is other software application that can be used to recover it, but Dasha, the success is not always guaranteed. So as we know, if a teacher deletes lesson slides by mistake, so he or she can check the recycle bin as we explained and restore them immediately. But if used permanent delete, the school might have to call an ICT officer to try recovery software as I explained. As I give you some softwares whereby we can use Recover or Disk Drill, these are just the software where the success is not always guaranteed. So always double check before pressing delete so that to avoid permanent delete unless you are sure. So uh, delete, as I explained before, is it deletes a file normally it is in the recycle bin. This deletes will move your file to recycle bin. This and you can restore it back to your recovery. This deletes will permanently deleted your files. So as we explained, you cannot recover it once you use this permanent delete. That is shift plus delete, or you deleted it from your recycle bin. So the good news is that our files in recycle bin can be restored easily, as we explained. So the bad news is that files permanently deleted are much harder to recover. You might need special tools as I explained before. So now let's wrap it off and just it's just a summary. We have done everything which I believe it covers, which all what we needed to talk about today. That is normal delete goes to recycle bin, permanent delete gone forever. That is skip the recycle, it is bypass the recycle bin as I explained. So recovery that is possible, that is the only possible way if the file is still in recycle bin. So likewise, in education and office work, always be careful before deleting your files. Double check that you won't need the file again. So I think this is the end of our today's uh, tutorial. So now we are moving to questions and answers. If there is anything you need to ask, so let's quickly have your question on the chat box, or you can use voice. You can unmute yourself and ask your question so we can move further. All right. Is there any question, please? Hello. Hello?
We
I
can
think
hear
we have done all what we can to explain about our course outlines for
kamata a
today's
rufe
session. So
da
is there
duka
any question regarding what we have
abubuwan
talked about?
kamar ubansu suna faɗa da gwamnati za su zo a ba su abin gwamnati. Nazirin jarumi da matan shi
Hello,
kuɗi.
Jarumi. Hello, Jarumi. Muna jin ka, Jarumi. We are very sorry for that, Jarumi. Please, is there any question? Let's have
Wanda
5 minutes
a
to
sauƙin
round up and
kawo
go.
ba zai iya bata.
Uh, hello,
Sir,
CD,
thank you.
please round it, please. I have a
Sir, I
meeting
have
to
a
attend
question, sir.
now.
I said, is there
Taska
any
ma na
question or
yana
we should
taɓa
round it off and
na
go?
san kuma
Yes,
There
sir.
is no questions
Hello?
because you have said
Okay,
it
there is
all.
no question.
ai jahili
No, sir, I
ne.
have a question.
Ne mun daidai. Ai wannan ba za ka taɓa riƙe shi
So
ba.
what's your
Ya za a
question?
yi
No,
yaron
sir.
Go
da
on,
ya
please
zama
ask a
matsala.
question, please. I have another meeting to
Duk
attend,
abin da
please.
za ka yi mai a banza.
Sir,
Sabida wallahi ba zai taɓa barin Kabiru ya taho gun ka ba. To kaga
So please, if you have a question, just
sir, I have a question.
unmute and ask your question. We have only 2 minutes to go.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay? So what's your question? Please, let's go ahead. Let's quickly round it off.
I'm sorry, sir. This is the first time that I have a system actually can I, but I don't have it. But I think I will get it very soon.
I can't
So,
hear you
but
clearly, please.
actually no, I don't have it. Can I continue learning?
Please,
So I
what are
say
you
that I don't
saying?
have a system actually. I say I don't have system actually. Can I continue learning? Because of I'm
Yes,
sorry, this is the first time that
yes.
I
Learning a
attending. I
computer
don't know
does
what
not
you
mean you
discuss
must
something
own a
about.
computer. Learning a computer doesn't mean you must
Okay.
own a computer. So as far as you can practice, you can find a place or somewhere to practice, you are good to go. I know from your friends, from your colleagues, from your family, you will find a computer that you can at least try one or two things on it. But at least having the basics on your head, you are good to go. So, and if there is no question, can we please round it up and go?
So thank you. This is the question.
hello.
So, therefore, today's lessons shows us 3 stages
Hello.
of file. You say?
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
So I have a laptop, but I don't have recyclable in my computer. So when I delete a file, that means can be a go to permanently, or there is some way that the file stay.
You said you don't have a recycle bin on your computer. That means maybe someone
Yes,
deleted
that
it from your desktop, from your home script is not
yes,
there, but it's normally there in your applications.
yes. So when I delete a file, that means the file permanently deleted.
No, unless if you press shift and delete, that is where you will permanently lose your uh your document. So the thing is that you can search for recycle bin on your computer. It's there. You can click on start.
Yes.
You will see a Windows
Okay.
logo here. Let me show you. So can you see my screen,
Okay.
please?
Yes, I can see.
So if you can see my screen, let me show you what you can do to easily uh, recover your recycled bin.
Okay.
So here you can see a search for recycle. You can search from here.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Or you can use this option. Just type recycle.
Okay.
Type recycle bin. So it will pop up. I know you see it, but recycle bin.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can you see it on my system here?
No, I did not see. I see
Here,
only question.
look on my cursor. Look on my cursor. You see, I wrote recycle bin and something displayed. Like, can you see it here? Best match recycle bin. Can
No,
you see?
we
We
can't see
cannot
it.
see.
We can't see.
Look
We
at my
can't see.
cursor. Look at my cursor. Can you see my cursor? This thing that I'm shaking. Can you see it?
Your background is white. You cannot see it.
You say?
What
Your
is
screen is
displayed
always
is that
question and
those questions
answer on your
are
screen.
The screen is so sorry. Oh my God. I should have share complete my screen. So I shared only the. So now can you see my screen entirely?
Yeah, it still
Yes,
is
sir.
question and answer.
Yes,
Yes,
we
So
can
can
see.
you
We
see
can
my
see.
screen entirely?
Can see
yes,
Yes,
now.
yes.
So place your cursor on Windows logo. Can you see the Windows logo?
yeah.
Yes, we can.
Press left click. As you press, it will show something like a search bar on it. Just type recycle bin.
Okay,
Just type recycle bin. You can't even complete it, it will show.
Will pop up.
okay.
So here is the recycle bin. Can you see it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we can see
Yeah,
Just
it.
press open. Here, can you see
Mm.
open?
yeah, we can see.
So press open. As you press open, it will open. Do you understand? So that means you deleted
Okay,
your recycle bin from here. From
Mm.
here.
okay,
Do you understand what I'm saying? But it's there in your computer and you can still move it back on your desktop homepage. I think that is all what you need to know about how to find your recycle bin, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes.
So I think uh that's all for the questions and answers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as we've explained before, we talk about delete, permanent delete, and recovery. That's all. So this key lesson is always think twice before deleting important files. Always think twice. Computers are smart. And but prevention, is better than recovery. You have to prevent. You have to prevent yourself from losing your data. Likewise, in education, this is especially important, whether it is student results, an assignments, or even a lesson plan. So losing files can cause big problems. So thank you very much for joining us and have a good night. We wish you a good night. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you
Thank
sir.
you,
so
sir.
much, sir. We really appreciate.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you
nice day.
very much.
Okay. You
Mm.
can call it a day. Baba gani nan ka hanya kuna wurin ne? Kuna cikin restaurant din ga nan zuwa. Kuna ciki ne? Na gama gani nan ma kan hanya yanzu zan fito yanzu zaka gani nan da sakan. Kuna ciki a jira ni. To a jira ni gani nan kan hanya zaka gani. Mhm. Ce gani nan kan hanya ma yanzu.